Hello, second graders. Today's lesson is going to be about grouping. So something similar to what we've been doing, except this time instead of grouping with all the items or all the ants that we have, we are going to group within different numbers smaller than 100. So I'm going to show you an example of what we're going to do today. For your 4 problems, you are going to have to make groups out of 50, out of 25, out of 20, and out of 10. Okay, and I showed you what it looks like over here, but you are going to have to use your items to make groups yourself. Okay, so let's get started. Today, I'm going to use a number that you are not going to be using. I'm going to make groups within 30. So my number is 30, and I have to make equal groups in 30. So I'm going to think, how many ways can I divide 30 into equal groups? I know. I can do one group of 10, one group of 10, and one group of 10. And I would have 30 in all, but I would have one line, and one line, so 3 lines, and all of them are equal because each of them have 10. So I have 3 groups of 10. Let me think. Can I divide 30 into different size groups? I have an idea. I can divide 30 into smaller groups by using what I know about my 10 facts. So if I divide a group of 10 into 2, I would have 5. So I would have 5 frogs and 5 frogs. And do the same with the other ones. And that would give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 5. So today I showed you that I used my thinking brain and I made different kinds of groups for 30 equal groups. So I made 3 groups of 10 to make 30, and each group was equal. And I also made 6 groups of 5. All right. So today you're going to do the same thing, but with different numbers. You're going to make different groups with 50. So you're going to use half of your 100 ants, and you're going to make one group of 50. So you're going to use 50 beans, pasta, Legos, whatever you have. And you are going to show me one way that you can divide 50 ants into equal groups. And you're going to use this language over here. I can divide my 50 ants into groups of So for example, for my example, I can divide my 30 ants into 3 groups of 10. Or I can divide my 30 ants into 6 groups of 5. All right, my friends, that is all for today. Get started. You will need your 100 objects, something to write with, and your math notebook, and go ahead and get started.